Hello everyone and welcome to this YourText.Guru demonstration video. I'm Pierre from YourText.Guru and I'm here to help you check out every functionality that we have on the tool. What is YourText.Guru's entity functionality? It's a tool that help you find out the entities that are related to the main entity you want to speak about. Let's have a look at what it looks like and how it works. So I'm going to go to the Others tab. I'm going to select the Entities entry, and I'm going to add the Statue of Liberty in here in order to search for entities. You see I have a lot of them. Let's click on the little plus sign over there and have a little introduction to the topic, and then the entities that are related are right below this little entry. So how is it that this list exists? First of all, what's an entity? An entity is something that can be recognized as a main topic of discussion, something that you need to correlate with something else in order to understand the story behind it. So sometimes it's about a dish, sometimes it's about a place, a person, a company. It's something that is that people will talk about, and they need to have some information about it. So, that's an entity. The machine doesn't think in the way the humans think. A human may think of the Statue of Liberty by adding the correlation with, let's say, New York next to it. He may add also, let's say, Bartholdi, which is the person which is behind the design of the Statue of Liberty. And then we'll think of a few other things that are related to the Statue of Liberty, but we may not think of everything that is related to it. Thing is, when you check all these entities that are related to it, you'll see there are a few things that might surprise you. Well, if you know about the history of the Statue of Liberty, of course it will not. But let's say I'm checking here. I see Eiffel, which is mentioned, Gustave Eiffel. I'll have some other mention of the Eiffel name, like the Eiffel Company and so on. And if I'm not aware of why it is, it's because it's related. Gustave Eiffel is the one who designed the structure inside the Statue of Liberty in New York. So it's actually related to the main topic we're about to speak when we want to speak about the Statue of Liberty. There are several other entities, so some of them may be really useful for when you want to write a content about the Statue of Liberty, but the computer doesn't know that. The computer just knows that there is a connection between Gustave Eiffel and the Statue of Liberty, but if you don't feed the computer with more information, the computer will not be able to give you the relation between the entities. It just knows that there are some relations. The human has another way to work. The human man has another way to work. It understands the correlation. It knows that there is a correlation, it understands the correlation, and the context around the correlation. It's two ways of thinking. For the machine, it knows all the correlation it may exist, and for the human, it will know several correlation, but not all of them, and it will have a more in-depth understanding of the correlations. So yeah, The entities tool is something that's going to be really useful if you want to become an expert on a topic, on the history around the topic. For a writer, it's quite useful. Yeah, that's all you need to know to use the tool. It's to understand the correlation between the entities that are listed here and the main entity you've selected. That's all for this video. I'll see you in another video about YourText.Guru's features, and until then, have a nice day. Bye.